Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you're watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to get a chat log on your WhatsApps. WhatsApp has introduced a new chat log feature. In this new feature, the user can lock up his chat with the help of fingerprints and this chat will be hidden as like archive mode. So if you don't know how to get this feature at your devices and how to use it, then keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how to do that. So without wasting further time, let's start our today's video. Firstly, open your WhatsApp. Now tap at any chat profile. Now tap at I option. Now scroll it up. As appear at my screen, you can see under the disappearing messages a new option called chat log. Just simply tap it there. Now appear that screen, you can see keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your fingerprints to open this chat and read notification on this phone. For even more privacy, locked chat will be kept separate from other chats. Down there you can see a option chat this lock with fingerprints. Just toggle this on. Now give your fingerprint and appears at screen. You can see this chat is now locked. You can find it locked in the chat tab. Just simply tap at view. Appears on screen. You can see this chat has been locked. Now go back. Just simply drag down and at the top you can see it is created a separate folder locked chats. Just simply tap at there, give your fingerprints and your chat will be open like this. Now if this chat log feature is missing at your devices, then simply go back, open your iOS store or Play Store and in the search bar type here WhatsApp and make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first and then you should try this feature at your devices. After updating your app, if the feature is still missing at your devices, then don't be panic because this is a rolling type based feature. Maybe in the next update, this feature will be available at your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like the video and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. I hope I will catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.